Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. This is Burgh Unboxing, and I'll ask you to bear with me. I have been very sick all day. Kathy showed up at 2 o'clock. She never gets over early. We had to go to the post office. I had to go to the ATM machine to put money in the T-Mobile, and then I forgot my iPad and the charger and the T-Mobile CoolPad surf device. So I had to come back home, and I slept with the door open last night. Fell asleep with the door open and woke up about 6:30 and just started gasping for air, wheezing, coughing up stuff. I've been sick as a dog. All right, this was sent from my friend Zoe. She sent something last week. I never got it. Kathy got her too. So this is Burgh Unboxing, but very cute stuff. Thank you, Zoe, for making this. Kathy took the Pokemon one and the purple one. So these are masks. And end of the month, I will send Zoe some money for buying the fabric. This is one little cat mask. A little too small for me. I'll manage. That's one. This is silly. I love this one. This is so silly. It's so cute, though. Kathy wanted that one. I found someone on eBay to make me a big mask. I had a big head. A big face. So, it doesn't quite fit me, but it looks cute. I'll ask you to bear with me. Anybody who thinks that I can work, it's crazy. And this one's cute with the cats and dogs. Very cute. They're all cute. Here's one more kitties on it with glasses and no glasses. And there's this one with kitties looking out the window. Kitties with party hat with birds on them. This one seems a little looser. And I have the problem with my asthma. The other mask, I can't breathe. It's very hot here today. So there's that one. And there are two more. Very cute. This one with kitties on it. And then there's some kitties with glasses and kitties with Happy New Year balloons or birthday balloons. So, anyway, and then she also sent some, I thought these were pillowcases, but bandanas. Well, I'm not sure how you wear a bandana. I don't think it would fit around my head anyway. I got a size 7 3/4 head. Sew these shut. Yeah. I thought they were pillowcases for a minute. Anyway, it's very cute. I don't know where she finds it. Wonderful fabric. Kathy took one of those. So thank you, Zoe. Really appreciate it. And I assembled the can thing. I'll show it to you later when I've rested from having a major asthma attack and sinus attack and grass allergy attack all day. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. I got Allegra money. I don't have the energy to go get the Allegra. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Say cool and dry or warm and dry. Stay safe. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.